Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabets both in capital letters and small letters from A to Z. So without much ado, let's get started. So first I'll take red color and write the letter A. This is capital letter A. A for apple. A for apple. This is capital letter B. B for ball. B for ball. This is capital letter C. C for cat. C for cat. D. Capital letter D. D for dog. D for dog. E. Capital letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Orange color. So after E, F. This is capital letter F. F for fan. F for fan. G. Capital letter G. G for goat. G for goat. H. Capital letter H. H for house. H for house. I. Capital letter I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. J for jug. K. Capital letter K. K for kite. K for kite. Next I'll take yellow color and write after K. So after K it is L. This is capital letter L. L for lion. L for lion. M. Capital letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. Capital letter N. N for nose. N for nose. O. Capital letter O. O for orange. O for orange. P. Capital letter P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Next I'll take light green color and write after P. So after P it is Q. Capital letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. Capital letter R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. Capital letter S. S for sun. S for sun. T. Capital letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. Capital letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Next I'll take blue color and write after U. So after U it is V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. Capital letter X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Capital letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Z. Capital letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So here we have completed our capital letters from A to Z. Now we'll learn small letter from A to Z. Gray color. A. Small letter A. A for apple. A for apple. B. Small letter B. B for ball. B for ball. C. Small letter C. C for cat. C for cat. D. Small letter D. D for duck. D for duck. E. Small letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next I'll take brown color and write after E. So after E it is F. Small letter F. F for fish. F for fish. G. Small letter G. G for goat. G for goat. H. Small letter H. H for house. H for house. I. Small letter I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. Small letter J. J for jug. J for jug. K. Small letter K. K for kite. K for kite. Pink color. So after K it is L. Small letter L. L for lion. M. Small letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. Small letter N. N for nose. N for nose. O, small letter O. O for orange. O for orange. P, small letter P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Dark green color. So after P, it is Q. Small letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R, small letter R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S, small letter S. S for sun. S for sun. T, small letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U, small letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Purple color. So after U, it's V, small letter V. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. W, small letter W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X, small letter X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y, small letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Z, small letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our alphabets from A to Z, both in capital letters and small letters. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you have learned something from this video, kids. And if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.